Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically enable or disable your name in Dress to Impress. So for instance, as you can see, there's my username, like my title, as well as if I can join, as well as if I'm in VIP or not. That's what I meant to say. But to turn it off, you are just going to go here to the settings tab on the left side. Then you're going to select name tag and you're going to select hide. And as you can see, it automatically turns off like my name as well as the title I have and if I can go to the VIP section or not. And to turn it on again, you're just going to do the exact same thing and you're going to select show instead. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!